Someone decided to have a heart attack, and it wasn't me. Anyway, he's fine. All is gonna be okay. Thank you, Lord. And this current video you're about to watch was all shot way before he had this heart attack. And anything after this video is gonna be sporadic, and you might see him sitting on his ass an awful lot. We're gonna have to hire a bit of the help out, but I think we'll be okay. I just wanted to let you guys know. I hope you enjoy this video. He has been working on this bathroom on the drywall for a couple of days now. Hopefully it's on its last coat, and we will install the vanity. Oh, look at there. Garage door man is here. Time for some new garage doors. Up next, the tree man is coming. Tell me how much it's gonna cost to take this bad boy down. It's in between wires and hanging over the house, and just a big, ugly nightmare. And maybe that one, I'm not sure. Or is it that one? Maybe it's that one. This one's hanging funny and on the house. I think that's it. It only took about 2 hours, and I had all new gutters around the whole house. Really needed them. If you watched last week's video, you'll know that I got started painting the walls, and I got this wall completely done. I went on and finished this, the master bedroom, it's all done, and moved to the bright pink room and got a few pictures of that, and I did finally get it finished. Here it is. It looks so much better. Kind of pushing it with the time of day, aren't ya?
Out with the old, yeah. Yeah, it's getting a little dark. There goes the screwdriver.
Sure does make it look like $1 million with all new receptacles and covers.
Does.
With the power of TV, we got brand new garage doors. Here's a picture of the old one. The other one had a big hole in it. So these new ones really update the house. Here we go. Got the hubby taking the sink out. That way I can get all of this tile, get it all cleaned up. And when it's time, paint the tub and the tile. Ta-da! That's kind of blucko. Don't you worry, dirty wall. We'll take care of you.
I guess, do you want me to fold this? Take this out?
I want to leave it in. I mean, I guess.
Well, maybe we could, paint it up and fix it up some. I mean, if there's a hole there, I don't want to fix the hole.
Okay, good. If we can take it out, maybe I can hit it with some spray paint. It'll really make it look a lot better and put it back.
There, but we could.
I think I could clean that all up. Tape off the mirror. Maybe hit it with black.
Hopefully it doesn't.
How do you feel about black? I want to get a black light. I think I'm gonna get a black toilet paper holder and a black towel rack.
I'm the fixer, you're the designer.
I ain't no designer.
You're the designer, I'm the fixer.
I'm the pretending designer.
Right.
Back in the day, people would drop their used razor blades in a slot in the medicine cabinet, and they would just rest in the wall for eternity. This drywall is in really bad shape, and this is where the fridge will sit, and you will see this edge that he's working on right there. So we decided to take it out. He also has to move some power over. Got more of the tile down. It just peels right off the paper. A couple of these doors needed a little bit of repair. They were delaminating a little bit, and I wanted to give them a little sand job before I painted them. It's my painter helper friend. Here I am using paint cans to weight down the glued areas and let them sit overnight before I get to work on them. Gonna fill the wall in so you will not be able to pass through to the kitchen. And I have a couple ideas for a feature wall. I wanted to take a second and show you all of these splotches on the wall. They are the same color paint out of the same can. Don't you love it? The name of this paint is Agreeable Gray. Every wall in this house will be painted this color. Well, that's about it for this week. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you can see what happens next and how we work around the main character of this series having a heart attack. It'll be fine. Everything is going to be just fine. He is here and with me, and I'm so thankful for that. And that's the most important part. Everything will be fine. I have faith that everything is going to be fine. It's going to be fine, right? Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.